Okay, today we're going to read this article about stress. So the way it's going to work is I will read the first page and then I will leave time for you to read the second page. And we'll take turns. If you need more time than what I give you, just push pause and finish reading and then push play and then I'll start reading again. Please follow with me as I read. Stress Awareness Month. April is National Stress Awareness Month in the U.S. People can learn about stress during this month. Everyone feels stress sometimes. You may feel stress when you are worried. Your turn. Stress can change your feelings. You may feel sad, mad, frustrated, nervous, lonely, or scared. You may feel less happy or less excited. You can do activities to feel less stress. You can exercise. You can get better sleep. You can eat healthy foods. You can do something that makes you happy. Your turn. You can talk. Hold on. Sorry, my computer started messing up. There we go. You can talk to a counselor about stress. A counselor can help you feel less stress. You can talk to a counselor about your feelings. A counselor could give you ideas to feel better. Excuse me. Does your school have a counselor? Your turn. School counselor. A school counselor works in a school. A school counselor usually has an office in a school. A school counselor helps students. A counselor talks to students about stress, classes, jobs, colleges, and more. Your turn. So if you are wanting to at home, you can make a less stress smoothie. You just need orange juice, orange sherbet, bananas, peaches, vanilla, and a blender. So you put the juice, sherbet, bananas, and peaches and vanilla into the blender, blend until smooth, and drink. Okay, here's the knock knock page. I'll read the knock knock and you can read the other part. Knock knock. Feel. Fill your cup with a smoothie. Ha ha ha. I have a joke. Why was the math book sad? It had too many problems. Those are funny. Okay, so now it is time for you to go back to the seesaw activity and click the link for the activities, and you can complete these activities and then submit them to Seesaw so that I can look at them. I need you to do all of them. You don't have to do the crossword, that's just for fun, but everything else I'd like you to do. So all the pages except for 17. All right, thank you, and we will talk to you later. Bye.